the society and getting some more bonding within this area where we live in. We are equally big society, so I think it's really nice to have you, and we really thank you for coming here. And we have now women's tournament also, which we were thinking we will have it here only. So the idea is that we can have the dinner or snacks all together with women.
Yes, that's better.
Yeah. So we will prefer that you come and have dinner for sale. It's not very elaborate. So how much time you need to choose the snacks, same time you choose the dinner also. So we can have dinner, and that is recommended by our restaurant also to have dinner.
Yeah, he's still searching for the recipe.
Come for that. And second thing is yeah, so all this is over. Now I will request the winning team to come, and Mr. Wendell, Captain Wendell Pereira has sponsored the prize for the winning team.
Thank you, thank you.
So we'll ask the youngest player to keep the prize with him. Yes. Youngest player to keep the prize with him. He will decide what to be done with this. Now I request
The youngest player will only want to spend it.
I will request Shobha Krishnan. She is on the senior most team player, one of the senior most team players. Ashok, Ashok Sharma, you saw playing. He is also the senior most players. Shobha also plays, so I thought let her also come out and hand over the runners-up prize to the Nyati Estate team. Yes.
Yay!
Come, please.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Please come.
Hold it. All of you.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
I will thank Ritu Sharma. She is the coordinator from Nyati State. She is like a little Sangeeta section and all. She manages all the culture and sports all together. So I was in touch with her, and it was very seamless, issueless, problemless, very smooth organization. We didn't even have to meet each other. It was on WhatsApp. So very thankful for that kind of coordination.
Thank you.
Him also, because he took a lot of initiative. A lot of pains and all was taken by him, and really appreciate that. Thank you so much.
And I thank Deepa also for coming every day and supporting the
I have to say something, and for us, it's thanks to
Can we have one
Shiv.
picture?
Thanks to Shiv.
One finish.
Yeah.
No, I just want to thank Shiv for all on our behalf, because he has galvanized Clover Islands into playing table tennis. This table was going more or less unused, except for our senior Ashok and junior Ashok. With our Nazneen also, between the three of them, nobody else was playing, but Ashok is, Shiv now has galvanized everybody, and we appreciate him getting in touch with you and you all coming in. So thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
And we hope to see you in action soon.
Can I?
And you are all welcome to come and join us when there is no competition also.
That is what I wanted to request. Okay, on behalf of the Nyati TT group, let me convey our heartfelt thanks to all of you. The amount of love, the amount of hospitality we got, we were very impressed. Yes, we did not measure up to your expectations, but next time we'll give a better next time we'll give a better fight.
So this is not about winning. I play to lose actually. So we enjoy the match. Thank you so much. And we have dinner on next weekend after the women's match is over. I think that will also happen in 2 days probably.
Yes.
Or maybe Rika might be going. You are great. So all everybody is going to get.
5th and 6th.
5th and 6th. 6th we will have dinner. And the prize distribution for. And then.
You also come with us.
And then comes in combined photo.
Combined photo.